You know, as a photographer, right? Mm-hmm. So trust me when I say I can picture us together.
If you're pretty and I'm cute, together we'd be...
Quick question, are you a cop?
No.
Because it's illegal for you to look that good.
I ain't gonna lie, I don't need these to say I need you in my life.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy White Pree, and I'm back with another video. Yes, sir. In today's video, we're gonna do Tinder in real life. So I'm gonna have the girls come up here. They're gonna sit right here. The guys are gonna line up. They're gonna come up one by one. They're gonna say a pickup line, and the girls gonna swipe left if they don't like what they're saying. They're gonna swipe right if they like what they're saying. At the end, we're gonna do something different and see who wins. You know what I'm saying? So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned to the video. It's the boy White Pree.
Hi, my name's Alex. I'm 23 years old, and I'm about to easily win this challenge. Can't wait y'all see out my lines.
What's going on YouTube? It's the Remix Kid, Jay Price. You can follow me on Instagram at DAREMIXKID. I ain't too much sure about what's going on with this challenge, but hey, if I in it, I win it.
Hey you guys, it's your girl Victoria, VVS Knows with an S and a Z, and by my Vicky.
My name is Bjorn. You can follow me on IG at b.c.a. Alright? And I'm easily gonna win this challenge because I'm the sauciest nigga here.
All right, what's up, guys? Day Today Marv. That's pretty much it. Day Today Marv. Hey, that's it, bro. That's it.
Hi, I'm Nabi. We about to do the Tinder challenge. Follow me on Instagram at Nabi Kozar. Yeah, let's get it.
Yeah, man, it's your boy D Slumber. You can find me on IG. Cut up 876. CUTTUP_876. You don't know the thing said. Dep on that thing you feel look at. Challenge. You know the thing, and boy, you can't stop one. I might think this. See that?
Oh, you recording? Yo, what's up? My name's Denzel. Anything you want to know about me, you can just ask. Shit.
It's your girl Shay, baby. Shay with a C, okay? And we're gonna see what we get into, because I'm kind of, I don't know what's gonna happen, what's gonna transpire, but I'm excited, so let's see.
Alright, it's your boy Rico. Follow me on Instagram, Rico.Mason. You already know I'm finna win this game. Ain't no telling who, but you know it's gonna be me. Todd, really, no bleach.
Hey, I'm Victoria.
Yeah, they call me D Slum. What they call you?
Victoria.
All right. What you do?
Nails.
All right, fuck that. Long story short, bro. What you know in there? Fuck all that.
Hi, I'm Alex.
Hi, Alex.
And do you do track?
No.
Because you've been running through my mind all day.
Right.
Victoria, right?
Yes.
My name's Bjorn. You want to go out to eat later? You know what's on the menu, right?
What?
Me and you.
Hey, Victoria, what's up?
Hey.
Tell me about yourself.
I do nails.
Did you just farted?
No.
Oh, you threw me away.
Hey, Victoria.
Hi.
How you doing?
Finding yourself.
I'm all right. My name is Marvin.
Hi, Marvin.
Shit, hold up. I forgot it. Hold up. Do you have Wi-Fi?
Yeah.
Because I can feel the connection.
Right.
How you doing?
Hi, Victoria.
My name Rico, 3Ks for sure, you know. Where you from?
Broward.
Broward, okay. But I'm not drunk, but you know, you're intoxicated by you. You feel me?
You're not drunk, but you're intoxicated by
I said I'm not drunk, but I'm intoxicated by you.
Victoria, right? Mm-hmm. It's Jay Price.
Hi, Jay.
You know, as a photographer, right? Mm-hmm. So trust me when I say I can picture us together.
Right.
Thank you.
All right, so everybody that you pick to the right, we're going to give them one more chance.
Okay.
And you just got to pick one person, whoever got the best pickup line.
Okay.
All right, so we're going to give y'all one more chance, and then we're going to see who the winner.
Hey again.
Hey.
Are you a pair of socks?
No.
Because I can just picture us together.
left. He just said.
Oh, he did?
He said something about pictures.
Bro, who on Google, bro?
He said
Who on Google, bro?
Can you do me a favor? Feel this real quick. How's that feel? You know what material that is?
What?
Boyfriend material.
Right.
No, it's not. I had to put the camera down. By any chance, can I follow you on?
Why?
My mommy and my daddy always tell me to follow my dreams. What you dealing with?
Right.
All right, so y'all boys come back. Y'all boys come back. Y'all boys come back. All right, so out of these two, what you want them to do? You want one more pickup line, or you want them to tell you?
Y'all gotta dance.
I gotta do what?
Y'all gotta dance.
I just say can't dance, bro.
Well, you better do something. Okay. Yeah. Okay. What the? Okay. What the? Okay.
Who you picking? Who you picking?
I'm sorry, due to, foot malfunctions, price one.
Yo, let me get on the camera real quick. I won. I wanna thank Google. I'm not even going front. I want to thank Google for the last one, cause that was the last one. When I heard what Cuz said, I was like, bruh.
Hi, I'm Nabi.
Hey, I'm Denzel. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Whoa. Okay, nah, I gotta go. Yo, you know CPR? I think you just took my breath away.
Shit, I'm swiping left. I was scared. For real.
How you doing? I'm Marvin. You say your name was what again?
Nabi.
Nabi. I like your braces.
Thank you.
All right, cool. So, oh, shoot, hold on. All right, follow me here. If you're pretty and I'm cute, together we'd be...
Butte.
What? All right, follow me here. If you're pretty and I'm cute, together we'd be...
Butte.
You stupid.
Pretty cute.
Okay, right.
Stop again.
Hi.
Thanks. I'm Tysha.
I'm Nabi.
I don't really know pickup lines. I just get to feel things out. You feel me? That's just how I am. And I be real, like.
I feel you. I'm gonna give you left though.
Fun.
Hi.
Hi, I'm Bjorn.
Hi, I'm Nabi.
All right. And quick question. I'm just going to need to borrow this phone. I need to tell God that he's missing his favorite angel.
Alright.
How you doing, Nabi? Do me a favor. Hold this for me. Sit right there. I just want to take a picture and send Santa so I can show him what I want for Christmas.
Right.
Stop playing with me.
Hi.
You said your name was Nabi, right?
Yeah.
Awesome. My name's Alex. You didn't mention your mom was a chef. Because all I'm trying to have for dinner is you.
Right.
How you doing?
Hi. Nabi.
Okay, he trying to have dinner, but you know you look sweet. You about to give me a toothache.
What?
I said he want dinner. I said you looking sweet. I'm trying to have dessert tonight.
Hey, what they call you?
Nabi.
All right, Nabi. I ain't gonna lie. Hold it for me, please. Thank you. I don't take pictures, but I see bro did it and it worked. I'm gonna try it. But I'm gonna keep it for me though. This not for God. This is my collection. Hey, he worked this bro on.
Oh my god.
Ooh, we going viral, baby.
Left. Yes. That was so unoriginal, uncreative.
Yo. All right, everybody that got swiped, right, please line up for me. Look. So basically, they're going to go again, right? And if you like it, just send them back. If you don't, kick them out.
Kick him out.
All right? And if we still have more than one, then you're going to pick one at the end.
At the end? Okay.
All right.
Okay.
So let's get it.
Thanks.
How you doing again, Nabi?
Hi, I'm good.
All right, so I think I lost my number. Can I have yours?
Right.
That was right. Let's go.
Well, hey, Nabi.
Hi.
Well, they say Disneyland's the happiest place on earth. Obviously not, since I'm standing right here next to you.
Right.
I ain't gonna lie. I don't need these to say I need you in my life.
Left.
You said your name was Nabi, right?
Yes, Alex.
Give me a second. I think I'm getting a call. Hey, Mom. Yeah, I think I just met my wife.
Right.
I ain't gonna lie, that round was smooth too. That was a smooth round. All right, so everybody that got swiped right, please come back up here.
Oh my God, I have to pick all of them?
Yeah, so look, you can make them do one thing
Okay, one thing.
or one more if you want another pickup line, or you can just choose right now.
When you say one more thing, I can like another pickup line or something else.
Yeah, or something else, doesn't matter. You want them to dance, you want them to do jumping jacks, push-ups.
Oh, I got what I want them to do.
Okay, go ahead.
Oh my god. Sound like she knows something.
Okay, so I swiped all you guys right. Everyone tell me their sign right now.
This is a make. See, this is a make or breaker. This is why. This I'm a Leo.
Cancer.
That sounds like
Why was the sign there?
Next.
Maybe.
Go.
Maybe.
Go. I didn't kick you out yet.
Okay.
Cancer.
You sound.
I'm a Scorpio.
Yeah, I don't like Scorpios. You already out.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Still got two.
Dang.
Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. One or two. Thing
Okay.
one, thing two.
I like Leos. I get along with Leos. I really do. Cancers, I like you guys. I don't know how I feel about Cancers, so I'm just gonna go with the Leo.
First win.
Day-to-day Marv.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Hey y'all, it's Shay, baby Shay with a C. Let's see what they hollering about.
How you doing?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm alright. Your name's Shay.
Yes, it is.
I'm Marvin. Question: are you a library card?
No.
Cause I'm checking you out.
I'll give you a right.
Yeah. Okay.
How you doing?
I'm good, how are you?
What's your name?
Shay.
That's good. Only thing I want to say is when God made you, I know He was showing off.
Yeah.
That's it.
That's it?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Oh, my fault. Hey, Shay, right?
Yeah.
And quick question, are you a cop?
No.
Because it's illegal for you to look that good.
I get it to you. Right.
Hi,
Hey.
I'm Alex.
Nice to meet you, Alex and Shay.
Can I see your hand for a second?
Yeah, sure.
This is beautiful.
Thank you.
The only thing that can make this better is if I had a ring on it.
I'm gonna go left because I already got a ring on.
Shay, right?
Yeah.
I'm really gonna front with you. I don't got nothing for you. But that music video when you came out the bands, you was doing that dun 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 dun. Can you do that? Can you do that real quick?
What was I doing?
That was yeah. That was fire. Please give me a right. Please give me a right. Please give me a right. I just want a right. As a fan.
Nice to meet you. I'm Shay.
Is it true the darker the berry, the sweeter the juice?
Yeah.
I want to see it for myself. Put your number in my phone.
No.
What's your name?
Shay baby.
Baby. Oh, you gotta put that baby on there. All right. Ain't gonna lie, I ain't got nothing. First girl done shot me down. I'm just trying to go to the next round. I ain't gonna lie to you. You gonna fuck with me?
This ain't no.
Nah, for real though.
Left.
I can't will, man. What's up, man?
We gonna bring back the 3 people that you swipe right?
All right.
And then we gonna give it one more chance, run through it, do another pickup line. You gotta pick one out of all 3.
All right, we can do that.
All right, let's go.
All right, let me see what y'all working with. Hey, round 2.
All right. Well, you know, for a first date, I would love to take you out to the movies, but I heard they don't allow you to bring your own snacks.
Oh wow. Well, you know, I be smuggling my snacks in, so I'll give you a right.
That's a smart choice.
Yeah.
Hi, Shay.
Hey, what's up?
Nice to meet you again.
Nice to meet you again.
I know you have a name, but can I call you mine?
Ah, that's so cute. All right, next.
Let me go and loose the donkey up and tie you up, cause all you got is ass.
All right, so out of all 3, who you think had the best? Y'all boys come back. Day-to-day Marv, Jay. Who you think?
This is kind of hard.
You want to give him one more thing to do?
Not another.
Nah. I'm gonna let y'all slide with this because I can't think of nothing for y'all to do. Actually, yeah, I can. But not, because I know who's going to win if I do it like that. I'm going to be fair. I'm going to let y'all pass. Actually, no. Guess a number from 1 through 10.
7, 4, and 3.
You win.
Number 3, Jay winning.
Let me tell you guys why he won. Because he listens. I said 3 is my favorite number. And if you like, you know, when it comes...
Y'all gotta pay attention, bro.
So, you know, learn something from him. He
Gotta
pays
pay attention.
Period.
Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe.